Hello, we're back with another Tech Travel Geeks fashion video. Right then, so it's been over a month since I reviewed my community clothing straight cut Selvedge Denim jeans, and I'm quite happy with them. But my wardrobe needed another pair of black jeans, a pair of decent black jeans, and I applied more or less the same shopping decision making to choosing my black jeans. And this time I've settled for a pair of double black jeans from HEBTROCO. Now, HEBTROCO is a made in Britain brand, started off by two hipsters who are called Brant and Ed, and I really quite like the overall messaging on their website, the fact they're a direct-to-consumer brand, and they seem to be producing some very good quality jeans. The sort of jeans that you buy once, repair and look after, and they last you for many, many years. So here we have the package that arrived from HEBTROCO, all the way from Hebden Bridge in England. It's quite interesting. Hebden Bridge used to be the place they made a lot of the UK market's trousers, and nowadays it's having a bit of a revival, in part due to Brant and Ed's efforts. So HEBTROCO are known for their details and their attention to detail and how to care for your products. In this case, HEBTROCO have a handy little denim care card. So you have your usual instructions here. The options that you're given is to machine wash or to soak your denim. The key messaging here is don't be a dick. So look after your denim and it will last you a long time. And so there's a lot of details in here. I'll link to the website so where you have the same instructions, but nice little cards to include here. And then a little card about the history of the company, started in 2015. The fact that it was either Brant or Ed's idea. One of the two hipsters had the idea of making trousers in the UK, and they started off a Kickstarter, and that was successful, and they got on well. The team is growing. They even have an office dog or a company dog, which is great to see. Anyway, let's focus on the product itself. So this is a pair of double black jeans. This means that it is made with fabric, with denim, which is both black on the weft, which is the inside of the jeans, as well as the main outer side. So the result is a pair of, in this case, Selvedge Denim. So you can see that they're double black jeans with a Selvedge ID. It's a very subtle red ID at the inside. So both warp and weft are black. You can see the inside of the jeans is black. On most pairs of jeans, your inside will be a lighter color, as we've seen on the community clothing jeans that we've covered here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. First impression is this is a really nice, solid pair of jeans. Let's have a look at a bit of the detailing. Obviously they come turned up, so they come with a turn up with that, which means that if you order a slightly shorter pair of trousers, you can just turn them down. You won't be showing off your Selvedge detailing, but you can do that. And you can also move on to rolling them up again if you find out they're too long. So as you can see, the inside of the jeans is black, and the Selvedge goes all the way up the inside of the leg. So decent first impression here. One thing I would say is, I think I should remind you, is that this is actually made from Candiani Denim. So that is an Italian brand who are known to be as an eco brand when it comes to denim. They use lots of innovative processes to use less water, less chemicals, and to affect the environment less. So interesting detailing here on the jeans. We've seen the Selvedge on the inside of the leg. Now what I'm going to pull through here is look at the button roll, the buttoning. to the jeans, so they've got some nice buttons. The HEBTROCO logo on the main button on the front. The others are plain, so plain buttons there. And then if we look at the inside of the pockets, they're nice solid material here. But the key one to look at is on the inside. You've got the HEBTROCO logo, the fact that it says that it's 100% cotton. It, on the label, tells you to wash at 30 degrees inside out on a slow spin to line dry. Don't tumble dry these, and more importantly, don't be a very funny to see that on the actual label. And as I said earlier, these are the material is made in Milan, Italy since 1938. It's Candiani Denim, Italian premium denim fabrics. And as far as the feel goes, that's quite good. Now, looking at the front of the jeans, a few more details here. The different logos for the rivets. So there's HTC, and that's not the smartphone brand that we all remember from the good old days. This is HTC, which stands for HEBTROCO, which is short for, I'm assuming, Hebden Trouser Company. So lots of nice details on the rivets here. Lots of decent stitching on the jeans, so I'm quite happy with the overall quality just looking at them. And then on the back we have just a simple HEBTROCO logo on the back side on the label, and then the initials DBAD, don't be a d. So great to see. Overall, good quality jeans. One more detail that I almost forgot about. So the inside of the left pocket has an additional pocket sewed inside to it. Yes, so it has an additional pocket flap on the inside, which is a secret pocket so that you can put things into your pocket and they're less easy to lose if, for example, you have your smartphone there and you don't want to lose your valuables. So you could put, say, cash in there and not have it come out. So what I'm going to do is go and put these on, get a feel for them, and then come back with our first impressions. As usual, if you want to see more of this content, Tech Travel Geeks fashion videos, as well as our usual coverage of consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, please do give us a subscribe, and I'll be back in a moment after I've tried on these jeans. Okay then, so I'm back after a few hours of wearing my HEBTROCO double black jeans, and I have thoughts. I'm quite happy with my purchase. I did get this model of jeans, the 177, because it has a slight taper, which means it gets narrower from the knee down to your ankles, and the description says that it has plenty of ballroom. So I'm assuming that's a good thing, and I can say that in terms of comfort, they are very, very comfortable. They fit well around my waist. They seem to be not too baggy, but also not tight, and that's the important thing. I can put my Google Pixel 7 Pro in my front pocket and sit down without breaking a rib or two or causing some mushing of internal organs. The 177 cut is very pleasant to wear. It is slightly tighter on my calves, but I do have relatively large calves, and anything that is tapered or slightly slimmer in terms of cut does hug my calves quite a lot. In terms of overall build quality, I've seen no issues. It's just been a few hours, but in terms of the overall feel of the product, it's very, very good. And that Candiani denim is much, much softer than I was expecting it to be for a pair of Selvedge black denim jeans. This is interesting. It's different from my other Selvedge jeans. It's something that I'm actually quite happy with. And if I do see the Candiani denim logo or option on future pairs of jeans, this might be something that will drive my consumer decisions. Anyway, HEBTROCO have done a good job. Lots of fancy detailing throughout the product, from the black leather patch to the buttons with their logo on it, to the secret pocket on the inside and the key value, company value, don't be a dick throughout the jeans. They're nice little touches which do give you that idea that there has been a lot of attention put into this product. Lots of attention to detail has been put into this product. So great job to the team at HEBTROCO. I am a happy customer at this point. If you'd like to see a long-term review of these jeans, do leave us a comment in the section below. I will be wearing these over the next few months to see how they wear in, alongside my community clothing Selvedge Denim jeans. If you want to see a long-term review of these two pairs of jeans, do leave us a comment and let us know. In terms of overall content, Tech Travel Geeks usually focuses on gadgets, accessories, extra gadgets and things that we think make the travel experience better. Clothing and shoes are definitely two things that are important, especially if you want to make the most of your travels in comfort. So, if you made it this far into our unboxing and first impressions of the HEBTROCO double black jeans, the 177 model, thank you for watching, and I will go and revel in my ballroom in these comfortable jeans. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.